Might want to wear that coat if you're coming by to drop off a toy. It was a cold dog walk this morning.
Yes, Mother Nature also giving for this Tuesday.
Yes.
We are dealing with some Arctic air that's wanting to make its way in by midweek. We'll see a gradual warm up, but then those temperatures plummet. And so we are getting a taste of winter.
Early.
It feels closer to late December, early January. So brace for it. It's coming, and it's coming in full force. As we talk about tonight, we're dealing with a few clouds, still meandering, but mostly clear skies. And that's not going to do anything to keep us warm. We are going to see all that heat just lift up. And so the 30s eventually will drop into the 20s, but we're going to see them steadily drop over the next several hours. So if you have some dinner plans or just trying to make it out to the car, bundle up. It is chilly, and these winds coming in at around 11 miles per hour from the west, cutting down those temperatures by around 5 to 7 degrees. So while we're in the 30s currently, it feels closer to the 20s. And by the time we get to the 20s, well, you guessed it, shave a few degrees off of that. It is going to be cold as we head into tonight, and for those startup temperatures as we head into our Wednesday. To be worse for wear, we're going to be dealing with some brisk winds as we go into our Wednesday as well. Ahead of a frontal system that's going to drop in some brutally cold air, we're going to notice an uptick in those winds, and it is going to be gusty, especially in the metro and especially off to the west, where we could clock wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 40, even 40 plus miles per hour. So it is going to be breezy, to say the least. So looking at your Wednesday planner, here's what we're looking at. A very similar setup to today, pretty much a copy and paste situation, just spare a few degrees as we talk about your Wednesday. Dealing with mostly sunny skies, we'll see a few clouds interact as we go throughout the afternoon, but by the evening hours, and we're going to see that here with Futurecast, we're going to notice a little bit of a difference in our setup. Our atmosphere is going to be a little bit different as we talk about some of that cold air pushing in and that frontal system pushing in some moisture. Now, there's not a whole lot of moisture associated with this system, just a lot of cold. So watch these temperatures. As we clock 1 a.m. on your Thursday, it's chilly. We're getting some of that snow off to the west in Garrett County, where we have that winter storm watch. And then as it pushes through, we're going to see these greens and this fuchsia color here, or depending on your TV, pink. That is that rain transferring over, but we're going to have some snow in the mix as we go throughout our early Thursday morning. As it pushes further south, we're going to see more rain out of it. But look behind, we're seeing the 20s creep on in, and we are going to deal with a very chilly setup as we head throughout the rest of your Thursday and into your Friday. So these temperatures going to struggle for the next several days, pushing past our Thursday. You're going to notice the 40s, blustery for your Friday, flurries for your Thursday. Those temperatures really not recovering even as we head towards the weekend. We will start to bounce back as we head into Monday and Tuesday, just in time for some more moisture to move in. We're talking about rain here just because the temperatures will be in the 50s and a little above average for this time of year. Kelly?